Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So Nokia C30 has been leaked ahead of its launch along with its renders showing the front and the back design. The smartphone was also recently spotted on the FCC, hinting that the launch of the smartphone is imminent. Back in April, Nokia launched the Nokia C10 and the Nokia C20 smartphones. Now it's time for C30 to launch, and just like Nokia C20, C30 will be a budget phone but with a slightly better specs. Thanks to the Russian retailer listing, it looks like the C30 will come with a water drop display notch and will feature a dual camera setup at the rear. Yeah, it's the typical Nokia design with round camera housing and Nokia branding at the bottom. Let's now take a look at the specs. The device might feature a 6.82-inch display with a full HD plus 1080 by 2400 pixels and a 20.5:9 aspect ratio. The processor that will power the Nokia C30 is not clear at the moment, but the listing has suggested that there will be a hexa-core processor with a 1.6 GHz clock speed. Nokia C10 and C20 both featured Uni-SoC chipset, so it's likely that the same vendor will supply the chip for this phone as well. It will have at least 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which will support a microSD card for expansion. As for cameras, the device might sport a 13-megapixel primary camera at the rear, along with a secondary camera which is unknown at the moment. For selfie purpose, the phone is said to feature a 5-megapixel camera. Inside the Nokia C30 is going to be a big 6000 mAh battery, but right now we don't know about its fast charging capabilities. Connectivity-wise, the device might offer dual SIM support, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a micro USB port, not USB Type-C. So what are your thoughts about the Nokia C30? And what do you think the price will be based on the alleged specs? Do let us know via comments. And that's it for today. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.